What it do, YouTube, man? You see what we on, man. We just out here riding. Today we just gonna be out here riding. Y'all see where we at. We out chill on the water, man. Y'all see the stream and things of that nature, man. It's a waterfall right up here. I can't really see it. There's some people over there, so I'm not gonna ride back over there, but y'all see the vibes, man. We just out here. That's enough talking, man. The bike don't have nothing done to it. It's all stock. Besides, it's got a governor delete and it's got a throttle screw stop remove. So basically stop. I'm finna mount y'all up in my feel me. And we finna get straight into it. I'm not wasting no time, man. Can't tell y'all how long I've been trying to make this video. Hopefully that looks straight. Damn. I don't know what the hell that was. Alright, y'all, we finna pull off though. We finna get moving, yeah. See what the heck going on down through here, man. Now, I've been on this trail a few times. I started the video from where I've left off on this trail. Like I said, I've ridden it a few times, but I haven't been this deep. So today, I'm just position my hat. Today, I'm just riding, bro. This is where I end up. Ooh. It's just a chest mount, so y'all can't see like everything I'm looking at, but I'll try my best to pull the camera off and show y'all when it's something worth looking at. Alright, y'all, which way we going? I'm going this way. I'm taking the scenic route. Y'all see what it is, man. I'm taking this way, all the way. You just gotta be slow, stay on the brake, don't fall. That would not be, that wouldn't be good. Alright, up this hill, come on. Straight up that thing. I ain't have to give it no gas for real. Okay. Let's park the bike. Y'all know what we finna do. Hold on. I'm scared to turn it off, bro. That wicked noise it just made, bro. I do not want to turn that thing off. All right, let me take this off my. Just hold it. Ooh wee. What's going on down here, y'all? What is? Oh, never mind. I'm tripping, y'all. I don't need to be out here too long. I'm already getting scared. Look at this water though. It look clean. Golly. If I was homeless, I'd be out here drinking this. Bathing in this, all that. Look like some clothes right there. Hold on. Let me find out there's no civilization. I ain't trying to expose nobody living quarters. I'm just riding. And there's bare feet marks right there. And it's not that warm. That's crazy. I'm scared. I'm getting out of here. I remember once in high school, me and my friends walked all through here barefoot, bro. It's like a whole creek go through the city. Crazy. Let's get back on this bike. I'll try back up. I hope the wind noise isn't crazy. That's one thing I really hope. Oh my gosh. Put the choke on, see what that do. Choke off. Alright. Maybe I'm just a rookie. I don't know. Let's keep moving. Make sure y'all good. Get out of here, man. I'm going the right side every time. If there's two trails, I'm taking the right every time. Ooh, my gosh. Let me get him out of here. Might start taking the left side, y'all. I don't know. I've never been this deep, like I said. So. Alright, y'all. We're going to take the right side. In the heat of the moment, we're going to... Like, look at that, y'all. You can't just see the boys posting up down there, bro. Chilling. With a campfire, bro. 80-degree weather. Yeah. Alright, I think I see the end. What's going on, homie? Man, I just came through this trail the other day, bro, and it was... Oh, no, this isn't the trail I came through the other day. That's why I'm like, where did this branch come from? It's not the trail I came through. I'm about to move this thing. Y'all better believe it. This thing long, too. Let me see. Oh, my gosh, y'all. This ain't no joke. How am I going? Golly. Shoot. I gotta see if can I come up this way. Oh yeah. See, I should have took the left side. I told y'all I was gonna keep taking the left side. I should have took it. Yeah, we good. I just gotta try to get the bike up this little. Can y'all believe I was really about to try to move that whole tree? Tripping. All right. Try to get up this little incline. See what this little bike do. Okay. Wrench to the mouth, man. Never good. Ooh, we made it though. Get me out of here, man. If I was being chased by something, bro, that big tree, bro. The trail is not practical. Little hill, we're gonna give it a little gas. Maintain speed. Then we're going right. Again. I don't care what just happened. Okay, yeah, I think. Okay. He look like he's chilling. Try not to scare a dog though. That couldn't have been any more awkward. Golly. Give it a little wide open pool. Why not, man? Yeah. Bro, this bike is too sweet, man. Like I said, I hope that window is not crazy on y'all, bro. Bad, y'all. I pick up the phone call. I gotta hurry home now. Still gonna give y'all a little POV of that. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna come up here to this Burger King, to this bridge. I'm gonna come up here to this bridge, I'm gonna turn around, head back toward the crib, man. I hope this wind noise, oh man, I know it's crazy. I know the wind noise is crazy. It's all I hear in my ears. Excuse me, Mr. Goose. Oh, he looking right. Oh, I ain't playing with him. I ain't even gonna play with him, y'all. No way. We're up here by Burger King, man. I can come up here and eat if I was hungry. I'm finna turn it around right now. I'm finna turn it around right here. Headed to the bridge, man. All kind of, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably like a quarter of the way through this People's Trail, too. It goes all the way through everything. I just never had nothing to ride with it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not finna ride no pedal bike all the way across the city, what? Go for a little construction zone. The boys working. Look at the geese, man. I know y'all can't see them probably. Look at that same geese. Look at that same goose right here, man. You know I'm scared of him. Why do you try to intimidate me, man? You good. You good. It's your hood. Looking at me crazy. Keep looking at me crazy, chat. I'm finna let it eat on this little straightaway. Right here. Go. We moving, y'all. Hey, I can't lie, but stop, this ain't moving. Okay, here go another trail. I didn't see that one. Oh, here go pedestrian. I'm recording, sorry. Respectful gentlemen, respectful gentlemen. I don't think I'm gonna take the I don't think I'm gonna take the trail back. I'm gonna just take the way out on the road, kinda. I mean, it's still like a sidewalk, but it's not in the woods. You feel me? Check the top speed. Once I got off the phone a minute ago. Boy, tell me why it was 32. 32. I'm saying, like, crazy. This thing when I got it only went like 23. Keeping up with traffic now. I fixed my hat. Oh, I'm gonna lose my hat. guys love it. Cut that gas off. They all got it, man. They all got it, man. Yeah. Until next time, y'all. I'm finna do a lot more of these. I'm finna do a lot more of this.